All right, folks, we are here at the Snæfellsnes Peninsula in Iceland, and we are here at this beautiful, beautiful black church. And it's really windy today, so I think I'm going to fly my Mavic 2 Pro. I have an ND8 filter in it, so we're going to see how that's going to work. So let me go ahead and start this. And look at this. Look at this. It's telling me that the gimbal clamp is still in there, but you can clearly see that it isn't. So, sometimes you just have to restart the drone. So let's go ahead and do that. And now we start it again. Woohoo! All right, little camera. Run free like the wind. Oh, yeah. It's telling me, getting attitude. Look at this. It's green. Ready to rock. Ready to go. All right, folks, let's do this. On. And fly. Fly away. Controllability check. And now I'm going to just start recording. Just so that you know, I have an ND8, I have an ISO of 100, I have an aperture of f4. And you can see in here, I have my rule of thirds, I have my center point, and what you see in here in red, that means that it's in focus. So that's a beautiful shot right there. In fact, I think I'm gonna take a picture. So I'm gonna switch to picture. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Let's switch back to video and let's shoot this puppy. Fabulous. I like it. I'm going to the right as I yaw left a little bit. I'm keeping my eye on the drone, keeping my eye on the settings, keeping my eye on the people. And I think that was amazing. I'm not going to stop the shot. I'm going to keep on going, but I'm just going to fly higher and back. So as I do that, I'm going to bring the gimbal down. Look at all the tourists. I think that adds to the shot, I'm thinking. All right, eye on the drone. I'm going to now slide to the right and yaw left. Oh, that's a really good shot. Even if all the cars are in there, that's fine. That's just adding to it. This is fantastic. Now, I'm getting high wind velocity warnings, but that's okay. The drone is actually performing super well here. This is the Mavic 2 Pro. And now I am sliding to the left, slightly yawing to the right. Oh, this is so beautiful. And look at the reveal now, the reveal of the ocean. That is amazing. That's what I'm talking about. With the mountains in the background. Oh, I gotta do that shot again. Look at that. All right, let's stop it there. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna go a little bit higher. Now we can see the mountains in the back, we can see the ocean, and we can see in the foreground, low here, we can see the church. Now I'm gonna slide to the right, and I'm gonna slightly yaw to the left. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, look at that. That is amazing. I gotta go back to that position and take a still because that's just too cool for words. In fact, let me go ahead and do that now, and then I can bring it back for a landing. I think it was, oh yes, right here. And you know, all those cars, they don't bother me. And if they do, I gotta tell you, I can Photoshop them out. So it's all good. Picture. Yes. And another one here. Those mountains in the back are just killing me. The clouds, oh my Lord. This is so cool. We can come in for landing.